Hello everyone. Okay, so I was just working on one of my client and doing the competitor research, what keywords they are targeting right now, and for how many keywords they're actually getting ranked right now. So I was just using the Ubersuggest tool, so I thought make another video how you can spy on your competitor keyword research, especially when it comes to the SEO as well as the PPC as well. It will just give you the idea. The Ubersuggest has the option to put the website in there. I'll quickly show you as well. So I'm gonna make it short. Okay, so once you're in the Ubersuggest, and you can just sign up using your Gmail account, and with the basic plan, you do have the option to see some good amount of data to view the detailed analysis. Definitely need a paid version. But for now, I'm just gonna stick with the free version, and I'm gonna show you. So in the Ubersuggest tool, since I was basically going through one of my client who's basically a chiropractor in Dubai, this is this competitor website. So I basically just put it over here and then added the configure search. So these are the keywords that I can now see that he's basically going after, and he's basically getting ranked on these. And these are the search volume, the CPC average. The CPC average on this is not particularly correct because I was basically comparing it with the Google Ads campaign that I'm running for my client. So and this looks nowhere near to that. So yeah, the CPC data is not accurate, but the volume seems okay. So yeah, this way you can basically get the idea of what other keywords your competitor basically target, and you can get this data using the SEMrush and Ahrefs as well. I'm gonna make another video about those two tools as well. But yeah, for now, you can see you can use the Ubersuggest as well. I'm gonna show you what you can do. So for instance, I was going after the keyword chiropractor, the language English, the location, United Arab Emirates. I just did for the search. I can see the basic data here. So for instance, it's showing the 7.11 that is the CPC average, which is okay. That's close to what we are paying right now. But the data which is basically showing over here is not particularly correct. But anyways, the average search volume over this over these keywords basically which are similar. It's basically somewhere close to 5,400 based on the Ubersuggest. Anyways, you do have the option to see a couple of good keywords which you can see there are some variations for us to choose from. And the good thing is, if you guys want to basically see what competitors are already getting ranked on these particular keywords, what you can do, just click on this and you will be able to see a couple of these are the positions of where they are actually at right now. This is the competitor I was going after. So for instance, if you want to go after, let me find another one. So I'm gonna go, let's get this one. The cheap and the lowest price keywords are not particularly the good one, because these are those customers from which you should definitely be running from. So these, instead, if you're running the Google Ads, in fact, if you're running the Google Ads or the Bing Ads, you should put the cheap and the lowest cost in the negative, because we don't want the customer basically for the cheap services unless your client is okay with that. So yeah, let's see chiropractor doctor. I'm gonna find one more competitor, and then I'll look what other keywords is basically getting ranked on. So I've got build this website. Let me see his website and see if it's actually a competitor. Most of these results are actually not the direct competitor in the UAE. So you basically definitely need to see if you're researching the direct competitor. So this one seems like a blogging website. It's not related to my client's niche. It does, but he's not stealing my client's client. Right. So yeah, let's go with this one, chiropractor Dubai price. So I'm gonna Dubai best chiropractor. This seems like a blogging website as well. Let's see. Yeah, it does. Yeah, it seems like a blogging website as well. They're definitely sharing the website of some of the competitors. Okay, let's find another one. Okay, so I think we have found one other competitor. He's in the video as well, which you can see on the title. So if I want to see now what keywords he's going after and getting ranked, so what you can do, click on search by website and search on here, and then hit search. Right. Okay, since I don't have the premium version and I've already used most of their free credits, I guess I cannot scan their website. But anyways, yeah, this was just to give you the idea that you have the option to get some ideas from Ubersuggest as well. I do use it quite a lot when I need some ideas on the keywords, but I prefer using Ahrefs and SEMrush. The Ahrefs is one of the best favorite tool that I use a lot. Ubersuggest, don't really use it that much, but in case I was able to find some of the good keywords from the Ubersuggest as well. So yeah, that's about it. I hope you liked the video. Please hit the subscribe button, and if you guys need help with your business advertisement, Google or any other social media platform, do let me know, and I will be happy to help.